Welcome to Thatcham Discovery Lakes. Here we have two ducks. And a dog.
I discovered a trail.
A tree.
Where the fuck are we going?
A tree is where people have sex felines.
I have discovered flowers.
Flowers. Flowers is what people put up their asses.
Oh, fuck's sake. Hey, I'm sorry, son, and we can't discover anything. That duck. What is that plan?
The ducks are always having sex.
Proper rude part, and now we're from proper nature now. Because we feel the need. In the rain.
The duck's lonely. There's the virgin duck over there. Them two there, they're a couple. They've just had sex and they're about to get married. That duck is jealous of the other two.
I didn't know. Come on, duck, fuck. Make some porn.
The noises you were hearing from the ducks are them having sex.
They're actually fucking.
Yeah,
Yeah.
they actually
We did
are.
saw some duck porn.
Yeah.
No, but it's like, oh,
Sorry, I couldn't show the duck porn because it was too explicit to show.
sorry. Sorry about that. People.
Maybe next time.
Sorry, pervert. Housekeeping. Okay, there's no one here. We have found shelter.
Ew, in a tree. There's some leaves.
Now, I think I see someone making love.
Ew! Here are some swans, gooses. They've just had a threesome.
Here's one showing his ass.
The one goose is getting the other two gooses turned on.
One's doing a threesome.
The other three are coming over because they want to do a sixsome. The other geese are joining them. Here is some shit.
It's Mr. Hanky, the Christmas pig.
Hanky, the Christmas tree, la 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 la. They've just had sex in that bush. That's disgusting.
Fuck hell, man.
This pigeon has just had a wank. He's too scared to come over to tell us about it.
Come on, fucking pigeon. Oh, just one away from me.
That's because it's just had a wank.
Fucking hell.
Them three are thinking about having a threesome.
And I'm getting turned on.
Really are you now?
Pretty much. Not really, I'm only kidding.
Here is the pigeon again. News alert, news alert. The pigeon has just had a wank.
Oh.
It's gone in at the bush.
He's fine. What are you following?
Now we're back to the sixsome geese. They're all thinking about it. All six of them thinking about it. Them two are just going to have sex on their own. They're thinking about a sixsome. Ooh, they've got more now. They're going to have a sevensome. You see it all here, people. Follow the action.
Hey, gang.
Here's my producer, Harry Hughes.
I'm just watching the...
It's the sevensome. Listen.
But now and do...
Here is a bench in memory of Alexis Howard.
Just post
Thingy. Harry is going to tell you what to do. Harry is showing us what to do on this thing.
I'm going for a wank, guys. Gonna have to tap. Fuck you, gangsters.
Bye, Pete.